So now we have the fourth question, which says that your friend is planning to start a business, ठीक है, in 5 years, and estimate that initial investment needed will be rupees 20 lakhs. So initial investments are given for this particular question, and those are rupees 20 lakhs. Considering the inflation rate, now this is what the inflation rate is given as how much? 6% annually, and expected rate of return, the rate of return is interest rate is given as how much? 8%, right? Next, discounted rate as 8%. How much he should invest? He must be invest today to meet the future investment needs. Now the initial investments are mentioned over here, 20 lakhs, that is nothing but future value. Years are mentioned 5 years, rate is mentioned 8%, inflation rate is given as 6%. Now we are going to calculate the future value adjusted against inflation first. Future value adjusted against inflation rate. So how we are going to calculate this? We have the initial investment value, so is equal to this multiply by the inflation rate 106 divided by 100. This is how we have got the value 21 lakhs 20,000. Let's reduce the decimals. We have got the value as 21 lakhs 20,000 as future value adjusted against the inflation. Now we are going to calculate the present value of the investment. We are going to use this value and not the initial investment value, because this is against the inflation value which we have got. Now what is the formula? Is equal to present value in bracket rate. Which rate? The discounted rate, comma, years 5 years. PMT is nothing but payment made each period. It is not mentioned, it is comma 0. Then the future value, this we should use, comma, type as 0 as optional. Done. With this you will get the value, the present value of the investment as how much? 14 lakhs 42,836.38. Thank you so much, class. Let's meet in the next question basically.